Alright, so I just got my new driver for the Tesla coil working. Oh, I'm so excited to test this thing out. So I had to design a new circuit board port, which you can sort of see right in there. And the reason for that is I have these new transistors, which you can not really see, but they're in there. So I've got these new transistors installed, and these are CM300 IGBTs. Now, these things are incredibly powerful. In fact, you could power a small car with transistors of similar size to what I'm using. So, I'm doing some stress tests here to make sure that nothing gets too hot, make sure everything's working right, and I don't let the smoke out of anything when I run it for real. So, for my setup here, I've got my oscilloscope over there. I'm looking at the primary current waveform with that. Got a song queued up on my computer. I've got that set up with my MIDI controller. It's just connected to the coil with that fiber optic cable. That's the orange stuff. And then I've got this dish sitting on here filled with water instead of the secondary coil, because all the power that you're dumping out of this driver, it has to go somewhere. So normally it goes into the secondary coil, but instead, for now, I'm dumping it into this dish, and it's going to heat the dish up just like it would on an induction stove cooktop. And you're actually going to hear sound coming out of the dish because the magnetic fields this thing creates are so powerful it'll make it vibrate enough to where it's audible. In fact, it's going to be slightly louder than I'm talking right now in volume. So, another fun thing is that I figured out that Ableton has a delay feature. Yay! So I can synchronize my music to the Tesla coil. So let's go ahead and get started. You can see the water's already boiling. So that's that. I've invented a very fancy humidifier. So I'm probably going to go ahead and do something fun with this and try to pop some popcorn on it here pretty soon.